It's the same old dirty brush. And maybe there's a little highlight on top of this stone. I don't want much because this is almost a silhouette. It would almost be a silhouette. If you have a sunset, there would not be a lot of color up here. And just by changing strokes, you can make this look rough and jagged. It can actually almost like you're forming a rock. Just by changing some of the strokes. Make all kinds of little projections and stuff. See how easy it is to make a rough looking old rock? It looks like seagulls have been living up there for a long time.